Hey yo, what's up guys? I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Something that I ordered from Amazon. So let's go ahead and check it out. These are banana plugs from Mediabridge. See, there you have it. It's a 7 pair per package. This is my second box. My second 7 pair banana plugs. So that's the actual box. It's all sealed up. So let's go ahead and take them out of this little box right here. Now that I slice the seal, let's go ahead and open this up. And boom, there you have it. See, look very nice. Got the blacks, the reds. Take these plugs out. See what they got inside. Gives you the instructions of how to put the wire through and how to secure it. See, there you have it. Little quick glance right there. Boom. And on the other side, we got other products from Mediabridge. I also got the wire. I haven't doing install because I have cheap ass wire right now, so I went with the better one on Amazon, the one with the best reviews and stuff. So and the great price also. So I'm not sponsoring Mediabridge whatsoever, but I go based on reviews, you know, because even good brands are kind of low on reviews. So I bought these cheap banana plugs from eBay a while back, and after a few months, maybe a year, they got all corroded. I will show in another video the comparison of, well, these are actually brand new, so I can't really compare, but I'm gonna show you how they turn out to be all corroded, all brownish and stuff. So I think that kind of interferes with the sound quality with time. So there you have it, guys. These are the banana plugs from Mediabridge. As you can see, you know, pretty nice looking, and these are anti-corrosion, as that's what it says. And there, like I said, it has almost 5 stars and it has a lot of reviews, so check them out online. I will leave the description where I bought them. Great price, guys, for these 7 pair. I think I paid like how much did I pay? No more than 20 bucks, but they're very worth it. They're nice, color coded, so can't go wrong with that, man. So there you have it, guys. Like, subscribe, any comments, hit them up down below in the comment section. So God bless, and I'm gonna do a rewire. I'm gonna rewire my whole home theater and my whole setup with better quality, and I'll show you guys going after. So there you got it, guys.
I begin to I begin to